And
hello, primate. We're gonna fix the floor.
Yeah.
Of the car.
Yep.
And Daddy and me will be fixing it.
That's right. Today we are fixing the floor in the BMW. It's got some rust and we are going to get rid of it, and we're going to show you how to do it without using a welder. Look at this, buddy. Ty, do you know what that piece of metal is?
No.
It's my new car. Alright, as you can see, the floorboards in our car have some holes in them, and we need to replace that out. So what we're going to be doing is grinding out. You can see I started right here. A square. We're going to be cutting a new piece of metal, and we're going to be putting it in. Let's get to the grinding. Use the piece you cut out as a stencil. Leave about a 1-inch area above and around what you already cut out so that you have something to rivet to. Yeah. Okay. So now that we got our hole in the floor, we got this piece cut. This is cleaned up as best as you can. What we're going to do is, since we're riveting this and we're not going to be using any weld to seal it, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to paint this first. Paint this with some, just hit it up with some black outdoor paint, and then I'm going to put a little bit of caulking around here so that when this sticks on there, makes a good seal, no water can get in. And then we are going to drill and rivet that in place. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode of the BMW build. Appreciate you guys. Comment, like, subscribe. I know this is a race car, so it's kind of a rough way to do it, but it's functional, it's done, it's waterproof, it's not rusting anymore, and it's gonna get me out on the track faster. So anyway, talk to you next time. Did you know you can get Octane Monkey gear at octanemonkey.com? That's right, we got shirts, hats, stickers, even car parts. If you like this video, hit that like button, and if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.